Welcome. Today, we're diving into what Mailchimp is used for in a business setting. If you've ever wondered how companies manage their email marketing or keep in touch with customers, Mailchimp is often the tool behind the scenes. It's a powerful platform designed to help businesses of all sizes connect with their audience, automate communications, and analyze results. In this video, we'll break down the main uses of Mailchimp and show you how it can streamline your business marketing efforts. Let's get started by understanding the basics of Mailchimp and why so many businesses rely on it. Mailchimp is an all-in-one marketing platform primarily known for its email marketing capabilities. It allows businesses to create, send, and track email campaigns with ease. But Mailchimp isn't just about emails. It also offers tools for audience management, automation, and even social media posting. With its user-friendly interface, businesses can design professional-looking emails, segment their audience for targeted messaging, and monitor campaign performance in real time. Whether you're a small startup or a large company, Mailchimp provides scalable solutions to fit your marketing needs. One of Mailchimp's core features is its email campaign creation tool. Businesses can use a variety of templates or build their own designs from scratch. The drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to add images, text, buttons, and links, ensuring each email looks polished and on brand. This flexibility allows companies to tailor their messages for different promotions, newsletters, or announcements. With Mailchimp, even those without design experience can create visually appealing emails that capture attention and drive engagement. Managing your audience is crucial for effective marketing. Mailchimp helps businesses organize their contacts into lists, groups, and segments. This means you can target specific customers based on their interests, behaviors, or demographics. For example, you might send a special offer to loyal customers or a welcome email to new subscribers. By keeping your audience organized, Mailchimp ensures your messages reach the right people at the right time, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. Mailchimp's automation features allow businesses to set up workflows that run on autopilot. For instance, you can create a series of welcome emails for new subscribers or send reminders to customers who abandon their shopping carts. Automation saves time and ensures consistent communication with your audience. By setting up triggers and actions, businesses can nurture leads, follow up with customers, and build stronger relationships without manual effort. Understanding how your campaigns perform is key to improving your marketing strategy. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics and reporting tools that show open rates, click rates, and subscriber activity. Businesses can see which emails are most effective, what content resonates with their audience, and where improvements can be made. These insights help refine future campaigns and maximize return on investment. With Mailchimp, data-driven decisions become much easier. Mailchimp offers a vast library of pre-designed templates for various types of emails, from newsletters to promotional offers. These templates are customizable, allowing businesses to add their branding and tailor the content to their needs. Using templates saves time and ensures a professional appearance, even for those with limited design skills. This feature is especially useful for small businesses that want to maintain a consistent look across all their communications. Personalization is a key factor in successful marketing. Mailchimp allows businesses to personalize emails with the recipient's name, location, or other details. This makes messages feel more relevant and increases the likelihood of engagement. You can also use dynamic content to show different offers or information based on the recipient's preferences or behavior. Personalization helps build stronger connections with your audience and improves overall campaign performance. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a feature in Mailchimp that allows businesses to compare different versions of an email to see which performs better. You can test subject lines, content, images, or send times. By analyzing the results, you can optimize your campaigns for better open and click rates. This scientific approach to marketing helps businesses continually improve their messaging and achieve better results over time. Mailchimp makes it easy to grow your audience with customizable sign-up forms. These forms can be embedded on your website, shared on social media, or used at events. By collecting email addresses and other information, businesses can build their contact lists and reach more potential customers. Sign-up forms are essential for capturing leads and expanding your marketing reach. In addition to emails, Mailchimp allows businesses to create landing pages for promotions, events, or lead generation. These pages are designed to capture visitor information and drive specific actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or downloading a resource. With easy-to-use templates and customization options, businesses can launch effective landing pages without needing a web developer. Mailchimp isn't limited to email. It also integrates with social media platforms, allowing businesses to schedule and post content directly from the Mailchimp dashboard. This integration streamlines marketing efforts and ensures consistent messaging across channels. By managing both email and social media campaigns in one place, businesses save time and maintain a unified brand voice. For businesses with online stores, Mailchimp offers e-commerce integrations with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. This allows you to sync customer data, track purchases, and send targeted campaigns based on buying behavior. Features like abandoned cart emails and product recommendations help boost sales and improve customer retention. E-commerce integration makes Mailchimp a valuable tool for online retailers. Mailchimp's Customer Journey Builder lets businesses map out the entire customer experience, from first contact to repeat purchases. You can create automated paths based on user actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. This helps deliver the right message at the right time, nurturing leads and increasing loyalty. Customer journey mapping is a powerful way to visualize and optimize your marketing strategy. Gathering feedback is essential for business growth. Mailchimp allows you to create and send surveys to your audience, collecting valuable insights about their preferences and experiences. This information can be used to improve products, services, and marketing strategies. By regularly seeking feedback, businesses can stay in tune with their customers' needs and expectations. Mailchimp is a great tool for promoting events, whether they're online webinars or in-person gatherings. You can send invitations, reminders, and follow-up emails to attendees. With segmentation, you can target specific groups, such as past attendees or VIP customers. Event promotion features help ensure your events are well attended and your audience stays informed. Transactional emails are automated messages triggered by user actions, such as order confirmations or password resets. Mailchimp allows businesses to set up and manage these emails, ensuring timely and accurate communication with customers. These messages are essential for building trust and providing a seamless customer experience. With more people checking emails on their phones, mobile optimization is crucial. Mailchimp ensures that all emails and landing pages are responsive, meaning they look great on any device. This helps businesses reach their audience wherever they are and provides a seamless experience across platforms. Mailchimp helps businesses comply with regulations like GDPR by providing tools for managing consent and data privacy. Security features protect your audience's information, giving both you and your customers peace of mind. Staying compliant and secure is essential for maintaining trust and avoiding legal issues. Mailchimp integrates with a wide range of business tools, including CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and analytics software. These integrations streamline workflows and allow businesses to sync data across systems. By connecting Mailchimp with your existing tools, you can automate processes and get a more complete view of your marketing efforts. For larger teams, Mailchimp supports multi-user accounts with different permission levels. This means team members can collaborate on campaigns, manage contacts, and review analytics together. Assigning roles helps maintain security and ensures everyone has access to the tools they need without compromising sensitive information. Mailchimp allows businesses to schedule emails and campaigns in advance. This is especially useful for planning around holidays, product launches, or special events. Automation ensures that messages go out at the optimal time, even if you're not at your desk. Scheduling and automation help businesses stay organized and consistent in their communications. Maintaining a consistent brand image is important for any business. Mailchimp provides tools to manage your brand's colors, logos, and voice across all communications. This ensures that every email, landing page, and social post reflects your brand identity, helping you build recognition and trust with your audience. Mailchimp's Content Studio is a centralized place to store images, files, and other assets. This makes it easy to access and reuse content across different campaigns. By organizing your creative assets in one place, you save time and ensure consistency in your marketing materials. Drip campaigns are a series of automated emails sent over time to nurture leads or guide customers through a process. Mailchimp makes it easy to set up and manage these campaigns, ensuring that your audience receives timely and relevant information. Drip campaigns are effective for onboarding, education, and sales funnels. Mailchimp allows businesses to create retargeting ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. These ads reach people who have interacted with your business before, reminding them of your products or services. Retargeting helps increase conversions by keeping your brand top of mind for potential customers. Mailchimp's e-commerce features include personalized product recommendations based on customer behavior. By analyzing past purchases and browsing history, Mailchimp can suggest relevant products in emails, increasing the likelihood of repeat sales. This level of personalization helps businesses maximize revenue from existing customers. Abandoned cart emails are a powerful tool for recovering lost sales. Mailchimp automatically sends reminders to customers who leave items in their shopping cart without completing the purchase. These emails can include incentives like discounts or free shipping to encourage customers to return and finish their order. Segmentation is the process of dividing your audience into smaller groups based on specific criteria. Mailchimp makes segmentation easy, allowing businesses to target messages to different segments for higher relevance. For example, you might create segments for new customers, frequent buyers, or those interested in a particular product line. Mailchimp's reporting dashboards provide a visual overview of your marketing performance. You can track key metrics like open rates, click rates, and revenue generated from campaigns. These dashboards make it easy to spot trends, identify successful strategies, and make informed decisions for future campaigns. For businesses with custom needs, Mailchimp offers API access. This allows developers to integrate Mailchimp's features into other systems, automate tasks, or build custom workflows. API access provides flexibility and scalability, making Mailchimp suitable for businesses with unique requirements. Mailchimp provides customer support tools, including help articles, chat, and email support. These resources help businesses troubleshoot issues, learn new features, and get the most out of the platform. Reliable support ensures that businesses can keep their marketing running smoothly. Maintaining a healthy email list is important for deliverability. Mailchimp offers tools to clean your list by removing inactive or invalid addresses. This helps improve open rates and reduces the risk of being marked as spam. Regular list cleaning ensures your messages reach engaged and interested recipients. Timing can make a big difference in email marketing. Mailchimp allows you to schedule emails for optimal delivery times based on your audience's behavior. This increases the chances that your emails will be opened and read, maximizing the impact of your campaigns. Mailchimp's RSS to email feature allows businesses to automatically send blog updates or news articles to subscribers. By connecting your RSS feed, new content is delivered to your audience without manual effort. This is a great way to keep subscribers informed and engaged with your latest updates. Mailchimp supports multi-channel marketing, allowing businesses to reach their audience through email, social media, and digital ads. This integrated approach ensures consistent messaging and maximizes your marketing reach. By managing all channels in one platform, businesses can coordinate campaigns and track results more effectively. Mailchimp allows businesses to use custom domains for landing pages and branded emails. This enhances professionalism and builds trust with your audience. Custom domains also help improve deliverability and ensure your messages aren't mistaken for spam. Each contact in Mailchimp has a detailed profile, including engagement history, preferences, and activity. This information helps businesses tailor their communications and provide personalized experiences. By understanding your audience better, you can create more effective marketing strategies. Mailchimp's tagging system allows businesses to organize contacts with custom tags. Tags make it easy to filter, segment, and target specific groups for campaigns. This flexible system helps businesses manage their audience more effectively and deliver relevant messages. Mailchimp provides audience insights, showing trends and behaviors within your contact list. These insights help businesses understand what content resonates, when people engage, and how to improve future campaigns. Data-driven insights are essential for refining your marketing strategy and achieving better results. After sending surveys, Mailchimp helps businesses analyze the results with easy-to-read reports. You can see response rates, common answers, and trends over time. This analysis helps you make informed decisions and adapt your business strategies based on real customer feedback. Mailchimp can be integrated with customer relationship management, CRM systems. This allows businesses to sync contact data, track interactions, and manage relationships more effectively. CRM integration ensures that your marketing and sales teams are always on the same page. Mailchimp allows businesses to send automated birthday emails to customers. These personalized messages help strengthen relationships and show customers you care. Birthday emails can include special offers or discounts, making customers feel valued and encouraging repeat business. A welcome series is a set of automated emails sent to new subscribers. Mailchimp makes it easy to set up these series, introducing your brand, sharing key information, and encouraging engagement. Welcome emails set the tone for your relationship with new contacts and help increase long-term loyalty. To wrap up, Mailchimp is a versatile tool that helps businesses manage email marketing, automate communications, analyze results, and much more. From creating beautiful emails to integrating with e-commerce and CRM systems, Mailchimp streamlines marketing efforts and helps businesses grow. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, Mailchimp offers features to fit your needs. Thanks for watching this quick overview of what Mailchimp can do for your business.